The check regenerative brakes warning in Kia hybrid and electric vehicles indicates a problem with the system that recovers energy during deceleration. Understanding this system is crucial for Kia owners. Regenerative braking converts kinetic energy into electrical energy during deceleration. When you brake, the electric motor reverses its function, becoming a generator that charges the battery while slowing the vehicle. The regenerative brakes warning can be triggered by several factors. Battery temperature extremes, either too hot or too cold, can disable the system. Battery charge levels that are too high or too low also trigger warnings. Component malfunctions in the electric motor, power control unit, or sensors can also cause warnings. Additionally, software glitches or communication errors between system components may trigger the alert. As of 2025, Kia has released software updates to improve regenerative braking system diagnostics across their hybrid and electric vehicle lineup, including the EV6, Niro EV, and Soul EV. These updates include enhanced diagnostic protocols that have reduced misdiagnosis rates by 35%, improved warning messages that provide more specific information, and over-the-air update capabilities for faster fixes. Understanding the regenerative braking system helps you recognize why warnings appear. The system is designed to protect itself and your vehicle by alerting you when conditions aren't optimal for energy recovery. When you see this warning, remember that it's your vehicle's way of communicating that the regenerative braking system needs attention to continue operating safely and efficiently. When the check regenerative brakes warning appears, start with these immediate troubleshooting steps. First, check your battery charge level. Temperature extremes can also trigger the warning. Both very hot and very cold conditions affect the regenerative braking system performance. Try a simple system reset by turning the vehicle completely off for 10 minutes, then restarting. This resolves many temporary software glitches. If the warning persists after these initial steps, professional diagnostic procedures are required. Professional diagnosis starts with an OBD2 scan to identify specific fault codes related to the regenerative braking system. Next, technicians assess battery health and thermal management, verify sensor calibration, and check for the latest software updates. Recent data shows encouraging statistics about resolution rates for these warnings. According to 2024 to 2025 data, 28% of warnings are false positives resolved by system resets. 45% are fixed through software updates. Only 12% of cases require actual hardware replacement, making most issues relatively simple and cost-effective to resolve. Prevention is key to avoiding these warnings in the future. Regular software updates keep your system current with the latest improvements. Maintain proper charging habits by avoiding frequent 100% charges. Schedule seasonal maintenance checks and practice gentle driving during extreme weather conditions to keep your regenerative braking system functioning optimally.